Okay, we got Pentair's latest filter. We have the C620 cartridge. It's a FullFloXF model. This one's got a higher flow rate, so this is the most efficient filter out right now, I believe, as far as flow rates and efficiency, because it is a big filter. It's a 620, but you can put this on a pool or spa. You have easy access drains on the front and back. And here's the back side drain, and then you also have handles. Super convenient. The previous model did not have handles, which was the clean and clear models, but great filter, easy to service. You have 4 large cartridges in there, and if you want efficiency, this is the way to go. You may be able to lower the run time on your pool if you have this filter, because it's a little bit more efficient. Okay, we'll say popping the lid off was much easier with these nice handles. And here's a look at the inside. We got some 620 cartridges, and looks like they even have sweeping fittings on this manifold so they get more flow. So looks like it's designed for better flow. That's it, just a short video. This is the FullFloXF 620 cartridge filter.